Hello there, this is Daniele from Toolchefs, and in this video I'm going to show you the new magnet field module. Here in my scene I have an agent group with a sphere layout and a clip reader. With the clip reader we have the behave 3D option on, so the agents are able to move into the 3D space. Now I'm going to attach the magnet field that you can use under direction, magnet field. And here basically you have different options. So the first one is you can use different modes. So you can use repulsion or attraction. Repulsion means that the agents are pushed away, and attraction means that basically, of course, the agents are actually going towards that, are going to be pulled towards the reference position or the reference mesh. So for reference position, it means that you can use a static position, or you can even use a locator position and animate that if you want. So I'm just going to set that value there. I'm gonna keep the max turn angle to 2 for now, and the force multiplier I'm just gonna put it to 0.3 because 1 is a bit too much. And also I'm gonna activate the debug mode. So if I press play now, you see the agents, when they are getting close to the locator, they are being pushed away, and when they enter this sphere. Actually, let me set the distance to 200 so we see a bit more the result. But as you can see, also the agents are not keeping, they're actually moving in 3D space, which is normal. So they're actually being pushed away also on the Y axis. If you want to prevent that, we also provide this multiplier axis. So for instance, if you want to disable the movement on the Y, you can always say, just move on this axis. So we're basically just gonna move on the X and Z. So if you do that, for instance, the agents are just gonna keep, moving on the plane where they are when they enter the sphere. Of course, you can change the force multiplier if you want. So at the moment I change it to 0.3. You can edit the metadata. So if, for instance, you keep everything unchanged, they will actually speed up when they are being pushed away, and they will slow down when they exit the sphere. So to make it a bit stronger, we can change the something like that. Also, you can change the multiplier here. So the agents are moving quicker. Actually, let me let's do it even stronger. So let's move it like that. So you see that the agents basically are speeding up when they're exiting this sphere. Okay, so another thing that you can do is, of course, you can use attraction. With attraction, of course, you have to tweak the parameters. So anyway, they will point towards the locator, and they will always try, whenever they're in the sphere, they will always, again, try to reach the locator. So in our case, you see that basically the agents, some agents got pulled and then went completely in the opposite direction compared to basically the direction they had when they entered that sphere. Okay, so another thing that you can do is you can use, for instance, a mesh. So you can change this to mesh. We have here a sphere. So I'm gonna just drag and drop that here. And basically now what is gonna happen is that the agents will, when they will reach the sphere, whenever they are in the distance from a point in the sphere, which is 200, then they will be pushed away because we're in repulsion mode. This is what's happening. Let me remove the metadata. You can even make the multiplier less strong. And this is all for this video. Thanks for watching.